The site that we are currently in is our traffic roundabout that is adjacent to our clubhouse. And it is a 5,500 square foot roundabout that 2 years ago and previous was 100% turf with the trees that you see around the edge of the circle. And we decided to transition the turf to a pollinator garden. So we decided to apply for the Northern Water grant for our roundabout a couple of years ago because we here at the HOA just were watering grass, and our water bill shot up almost 100%, and it was a shock to all of us. And we recognized that we needed to do something that would be much more water efficient and to be in line with water conservation, and determined that a pollinator garden within our roundabout was the way to go. So also at our clubhouse this year for the 2024 grant year, we replaced 3,300 square feet of our turf for the Tahoma 31 turf to be much more water efficient and be much more into the water conservation efforts. We are seeing from the roundabout is, number one, the aesthetics, the water savings, the efficiency of being able to have a beautiful garden that everyone can enjoy at any given point in time, anytime during the year. And the Tahoma, of course, is looking at a much prettier grass. When it was just in turf with our trees around the edge, we were watering up to 200,000 gallons a season, which was quite a bit of cost. And now with the over 625 plants and the trees, which each have their own hoops of irrigation around them, we're watering no more than 30,000 gallons a season. For the roundabout transition to the pollinator garden, we ultimately had the largest match of the $20,000 match. And for the Tahoma, our final expenses came to around $7,000. And so we will get a 50% match of that. So we feel very proud of the fact that we have been able to take what was just turf and a lot of overspray and an inefficient use of plant material, and have invited a lot of pollinators to our site. We've got a lot of hummingbirds, native bees, a lot of birds, and we're very excited about that. So we look forward to doing many more projects with Northern Water